As you can see, I didn't prepare the wood first by sealing it to stop paint bleed. Maybe I can fix this later. Also, the bottom part of the engraving is offline. Let's see what I can do with this. Better than it was, but not 100%. Okay, now that I have cut the sign down, it's time for the first coat of varnish. I use a water-based varnish, and this dries pretty fast. Just a few finishing touches, so it can be hung on the wall, and that's it.